There is such an awesome power in agreement that can set us on the highest planes. So why does conflict of interest, destruction through all types of wars continue to plague, causing immense pain? This is so because there's not enough pure courage, faith, and fighting spirit in our neighborhoods and our world to make the needed change. What happened? Why is so much crime going down out of control? We let our guard down, fear began to reign. Now we must recapture all that was stolen. We've lost confidence, determination, effort, love, respect, and sincerity of soul. We can't afford to keep traveling this road. So let's get our act together, desiring to be straight. The time is way overdue, no longer can we wait. Only through unconditional unity will we conquer and stand to see no more the extreme cases of diseases that have us bound, fear, racism, and all others. We must become one, a stable and unstoppable force like an impenetrable cover.
Peace. Peace.
Second, a vision of hope. Was fortunate to receive a Poetry.com award on this one. It's one of my personal favorites. The world we live in is the scope. We must act now if we're to experience a vision of hope. Youth be youth, stop the violence, the drugs, the forecasted genocide. Go back to hoops, friendly style, New York too. Hang out with family and friends, be yourself. Good, clean fun, that's cool. Adults be nurturers, pump high confidence and encouragement into quote unquote your kids. They don't have to be yours, but you can lend a helping hand as you can. Take time now versus later. It will be a great reward, sowing good seed into fertile land. We, the community, must come together. Time to put differences aside. Time to build a collective wealth. We can't just go for self. We must be about self-empowerment, self-love, yes, but we must also share when we, quote unquote, we've arrived, been blessed. So what do you say? Let's get busy to do great works for the benefit of us all. Let's grow strong and rich so we can keep the cycle going and one by one stand mighty tall.
Peace.
And lastly, this one, I just finished my third double volume that went to print today. That one's titled Position and Bless, Next Steps, New Heights. This will be in the 7th and 4th book. This one was written October 30th, 2017, titled Who's in Your Network? Who's in your network? I ain't talking about your social media network, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, or Twitter. What I mean is, who do you call fam? True friends, peers, the ones who got your back no matter what and celebrate you with genuine cheers. Your life circle, along with experience and knowledge, help you to achieve your desired goals. So only make time for those who keep you lifted. For those who try to bring you low, they need to be sifted. Always striving higher to enhance and improve, consistently conscious to stay in your groove. So ensure that your life circle is diverse, hip, and lit, and stay determined to encourage each other and never say quit. Rather make adjustments, focus, and persevere to lay hold of what you need, want, and dream. Together to thrive, be a team. Together to thrive is, a side note, is the motto for my consultant business. Whenever opportunity arises, appreciate who and what your network is all about. The sky is the limit when you dare to be bold, no doubt.
Peace.